Hello everyone, this is Atul Vijay Kumar from Amrita IAS Academy. Welcome back to our Prelims Master Program where I'll be discussing different ways and techniques to solve MCQs. So today we'll be going ahead with some of the economic questions that was asked in previous UPSC exams. Next question is about Indian patents and all that. So consider the following statements. According to the Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented in India. Okay, consider the following statements. According to the Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented in India. That is the first statement. Secondly, in India there is no intellectual property appellate board. Thirdly, plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in India. So, is there any statement any statement that you can recall from current affairs you have read or anything? So, I know that second statement is false because we know that there is an intellectual property board in this country. One of its bench is in Chennai. If you have read Hindu in a regular manner, you would have seen many articles written by one Justice Prabha Sridevan who works there. Who was a judge there. So if you have seen that intellectual property appellate board, one thing you can say that this is false. That is one way, or even other ways you could think that under WTO, the trade related intellectual property rights. So if you want to implement the TRIPS convention in India, you should have an intellectual property appellate board, right? Otherwise, how you are going to resolve disputes in intellectual property conflicts and all those conflicting claims. So India being a member nation of WTO, and since we are there by TRIPS, so second statement has to be wrong. So if you eliminate second statement, what are our choices left? So either it has to be 1A, 1 and 3 or C, 3 only. So which is the answer? According to Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented in India. Okay, so it's about a biological process to create a seed. Let us hold it there. It's still difficult to solve at this point if you don't have information. Plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in India. Okay, just think, do you think plant varieties would be eligible to be patented in India? So for example, on one side you would be thinking about, okay, there is all this GM crops being introduced, Monsanto's cotton, then which was that, maize, I guess. So there has been some GM crops being introduced in this country, but there is n number of plant varieties in this country, right? So you have maybe 2000 or 3000 varieties of rice in this country. So is any of that patented? Do you think if all of that is patented, farmers can easily share these seeds without paying the owner of these seeds? They can do cultivation. Do you think seed variety, plant variety patenting is possible in India in that sense? In the international standard, that kind of the idea of patent sense? I would say no, or I would think no. Partly it is because I know that there is something known as Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act. But even if you think logically, as the way I said, it's not possible to patent a plant variety in India, right? Because there are n number of varieties. How do you going to exercise it? How can you exercise the plant patent in India? See, we can't even properly stop the online piracy of movie production in this country. But how do we expect to control this thing? So three makes for a right answer. Plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in India. So then the first statement again still becomes a confusing thing. According to the Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented in India. So again I would say that is not there. Our patents doesn't cover that. It's only this plant varieties we are covering under PPVFRI. So the right answer would be C.